New plan. Bring him in.
Hey.
It seems like you've taken a liking to this mutt.
What you do?
Good boy, good boy. Hey. If I don't get my money, everything I've done to you, I'm doing double to poor Fido here, yeah? Good boy, yeah?
Wait. Hey, let him go! Let him go, you asshole! I'll tell you where your money is, okay? I'll tell you. Your money's in a van, okay? It's in a van. It's on 48th and 10th. Just let him go, you asshole. Let him go.
He's an animal lover, that's sweet. Take him out. Come on, let's go. Now, if you don't mind, I'll keep you alive until the cash is safe at hand, yeah?